Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Ginseng essence water is a concentrated liquid extracted from ginseng roots. It carries adaptogenic compounds that support stamina and mild cognitive focus. Typical serving is 30 ml, taken once or twice daily with water. You can dilute it in 150 to 250 ml of room temperature water for easier tasting. Store bottles in a cool place away from direct sunlight and heat to preserve potency. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Consult a professional if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Take 30 ml in the morning, diluted in 200 ml water before breakfast. This timing helps support daytime energy and mental clarity without interfering with sleep. You may take a second 30 ml dose in the afternoon if needed for sustained focus and reduced fatigue. Maintain at least 4 hours between the last dose and bedtime to minimize sleep disturbance. If you experience jitteriness, reduce to 15 ml per dose and reassess after several days. Track your response for 1 to 2 weeks to gauge benefits. Consult a healthcare provider if you take blood thinners or have high blood pressure. Ginseng can interact with anticoagulants, diabetes medications, and certain antidepressants. Do not combine with other stimulant supplements or high caffeine intake to avoid overstimulation and blood pressure spikes. Keep out of reach of children and follow the product label expiry date for safety. Monitor for side effects like headaches, insomnia, or palpitations and stop use if severe symptoms occur. Report persistent adverse effects to your clinician promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.